Wasi June 2014, question 1A. Without using tables or calculator, simplify 0.6 times 32 times 0.004 all over 1.2 times 0.008 times 0.16, leaving the answer in standard form. Let's quickly solve this question. Before we solve this question, I want you to note that whenever we move from left to right, it is times 10 raised to the power negative number. Whenever we move from left to right, it is times 10 raised to the power negative number. So when we take the 6, this point is supposed to be after the 6. So it's going to be 6 times 10. Now we are moving one step. So it's going to be raised to the power minus 1 times the 32 is okay. So we write 32. It's not a decimal number, so we leave it like this. Times. Now we are moving 1, 2, 3. The point is supposed to be after the 4. So we move 3 steps. So it's going to be 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. All over, the point is in the middle of 1 and 2. So it's supposed to be after the 2. So it's going to be 12 times 10. We move one step, raised to the power minus 1. Times. Now the point is here, is supposed to be after the 8. So we move 1, 2, 3, 3 steps. So it becomes 8 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times. Now the point is here, so we move 1, 2, supposed to be after the 6. So we move two steps. So it becomes 16 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. So this is what we have now. I want us to do rearrangement. So we are going to have 6 times 32 times 4 times, I'm now bringing the 10. So 10 raised to the power minus 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. All over, we have 12 times 8 times 16 times, I'm now bringing the 10. So 10 raised to the power minus 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. I did this so that the cancellation will be easy for me. So we can say that 8 goes here 1, 8 goes here 4. Okay. Now 4 goes into itself 1, 4 goes into 16, 4. 4 goes into itself 1, 4 goes here 1. 6 goes into itself 1, 6 goes into 12, 2. So at the end, we are going to have 1 times 1 times 1, so which is 1. So the top is going to be 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. All over, we have 10 raised to the power minus 1. I left that one. Okay, so we have 1 times 1 times 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. So we have this one. Then that one too, we are going to have 2, because we have 2 here, times 1 times 1. So we have 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. So this is what we have here. Let us continue to simplify. So from here, we can say that we have 1 times. Now when we have 10 raised to the power 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 1, what we do is that since they have the same base, we maintain one base, then we sum the powers. So minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. All over, we have 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. They have the same base, so we maintain one base, then we sum the powers. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, minus 2, which is minus 6. Okay, let's continue. 1 over 2. Okay, let me separate them so that you understand. So we have 1 over 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 over 10 raised to the power minus 6. When I do it like this, it's the same as this one. So 1 over 2 is 0.5 times. Now this one can be written as 10 raised to the power minus 4. When the 6 go, minus 6 go up, it's going to be plus 6. So you're going to have 0.5 times 10 raised to the power positive 2, because minus 4 plus 6 is positive 2. We are leaving the answer in standard form. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to move one step, which will be 5.0 times. When I move from left to right like this, it is minus. So since I move one step, it's going to be times 10 raised to the power minus 1. But we have times 10 raised to the power positive 2 here. So we have 5.0 times 10 raised to the power positive 1. Okay? Yes, because minus 1 plus positive 2 is positive 1. So we can leave it like this, or somebody can also say it is equal to 50. You can also leave it like this. So you can leave it as 5.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 1, or you can also leave it as 50. Please, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I want you to share this video for me so that other people may enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.